Yes, of course, he's super strong and super strong of mind. So I'm very proud of him.
I feel good. I feel tired. It's normal. Yesterday walking and running today, all day. And now I go to the top mountain in August and the official takeoff.
Y terminen allá. ¿Por qué? Porque vean las nubes como están, como vienen. Alex. Hijo. ¡Vamos!
We had some problems yesterday in the night when we arrived to the mountain. The wind was strong, and this morning continue similar, and we have to down to the other mountain, and we lost a lot of time.
I have a level inflammation, peroneal tendon. Last fly, I flew more or less 40 kilometers. The wind was very strong, very strong. The landing is very extreme, dangerous. The three valleys, three winds difference. It was very extreme.
En la base del valle, donde están todos.
Pues si hubiera volado, si puedo volar hoy, no,
No, si puede subir y bajar.
They're all around here.
They're all around here.
Yeah, some of them are here at the lake. They're still walking.
You will catch them, you know, and they went around.
They landed, they're around. The Americans are here.
Por eso, hombre, estoy diciendo que aquí. Le estoy diciendo, aquí es donde estoy. It's not a big problem. It's just we are dealing with the decisions, you know. We cannot lose more time. It is really important for us to take the right decision about where to sleep or where to go.